Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to make this quick and easy Korean side dish, Muchim, or pickled cucumbers. Let's jump right in and I'll give you some more info along the way. Let's start with cutting our cucumbers. I'm using Persian cucumbers, but Japanese or English cucumbers will work just fine for this. I'm cutting mine into quarters, but honestly, you can cut these in any size or shape that you want. Rings, cubes, accordions, it doesn't really matter. Salting our cucumbers though is important, and to do this, just sprinkle with kosher salt and mix it together. This is going to pull out a lot of the water and let the cucumbers soak up our flavorful liquid instead of letting the water out into our marinade.
They should have a light coating of salt like this, then we need to let them sit for at least 15 minutes. While we're waiting, let's get started on our marinade with slicing the white parts of our green onions, chopped garlic, and julienne ginger.
Now we can cut the green part of the onion on an extreme bias, and this will give us our garnish. In the restaurant I worked at, we called this scallion grass, and you can see why.
First, I'll show you the traditional marinade that's made with Korean chili flake, salt, sugar, rice wine vinegar, garlic, green onion, sesame oil, and toasted sesame seeds. And then to make it my own version, I add low sodium soy, gochugaru, and ginger. Now we can dry our cucumbers off on a paper towel, and you can see how much liquid came out of the cucumbers. Add the cucumbers to our marinade, mix everything together, and they're ready to eat.
But they're best if you let them sit in the fridge overnight so the cucumbers have a chance to soak up the marinade. Before you serve your Korean cucumbers, you want to sprinkle with some more sesame seeds and put your scallion grass on top. And you should have something that looks like these. Crunchy cucumbers that are packed with flavor. They have a touch of spice and vinegar with a burst of ginger flavor. I like to eat these on their own as a snack or as one of the banchan with my Korean barbecue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment and let me know if you want to see more Korean banchan recipes. See you next time.